Hello, fellow Minecraft adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, James, and today we're diving into the gritty world of forever stranded in Minecraft by setting up our very own servers. Whether you're teaming up with friends or braving the wasteland solo, this guide will walk you through creating a server on Game Team and setting it up on Windows for free. And if you want to get started playing forever Stranded mod pack right away with Game Team, don't forget to use the special coupon code in the description for 9to5 software viewers. But before we get started, let's find out what Forever Stranded is and why you should play it. Picture this: you're stranded in the desert, your resources are limited, and every choice could mean life or death. That's the thrill of Forever Stranded, a Minecraft mod pack that puts your survival skills to the ultimate test. But survival doesn't have to be a lonely road. With Game Team, you get to bring your friends along for the ride. Head over to the Game Team website and check out their Minecraft server hosting section. Forever Stranded should be listed among the mod pack. Once you find it, customize your server to your heart's content, pick the perfect server location, decide on the size of your player group, and get the RAM allocation just right for the best gameplay experience. Then simply wrap up the checkout process and voila, you'll receive an email with all the necessary server details. Configuring your server is a breeze. Game Team's user-friendly control panel makes installing Forever Stranded almost as easy as crafting a wooden pickaxe. With just a few clicks, your server will be operational and your adventure can begin. Adjust the server settings to set the scene. Will you be facing hordes of zombies at the highest difficulty? Or are you looking for a more relaxed exploration? It's all up to you. What if you're a Windows user looking to get into the action for free? Well, fear not. We got the scoop on setting up Forever Stranded on your Windows machine. It starts with installing Minecraft Forge, selecting the correct version, and making sure it's running smoothly with your Minecraft. You'll be navigating the installer, ensuring Forge is integrated with your game, and before you know it, you're one step closer to being Forever Stranded. Now, I know you might have some questions about this whole process. Can you play Forever Stranded alone? Absolutely, if you're up for a solitary challenge. Want to add more mods? Go for it. Just be sure they play nice with the mode pack. Need to tweak the difficulty mid-game. You've got the power right there in the server settings. And remember, Forever Stranded is a bit of a beast, so you'll want at least 4 gigs of RAM to keep things running smoothly. Creating your server with Game Team and setting up the mod pack on Windows is straightforward and hassle-free. With a little bit of setup, you can enjoy the challenging world of Forever Stranded with your pals. So rally your friends, gear up, and get ready to face the harsh, unforgiving wasteland with me, James, as your guide. Hit the like button if you're excited to start, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the sands of Forever Stranded. Until next time, stay crafty.